Hello humans! In this episode we will implement storing and getting of variables. We update the constructor of our interpreter. We keep our variables in a list called heap. Heap contains multiple dictionaries. The first dictionary holds our global variables. We add a new dictionary to the heap on each function call. The last added dictionary holds the variables of the last called function. With the set command we always put our variable in the heap's last dictionary. In here key is the name of variable and val is the expression. With the get command we first look for the variable in the heap's last dictionary. If it is not in the last, then we look for it in global variables. If it is not here either, it means there is an error. I made a mistake here. I should have typed key instead of var. Let's test it. Worked. Goodbye.